Guys, I want to show you these insulated glass tumblers that I received from the company. I personally like to drink a lot of iced coffee and then smoothies sometimes, and I like it out of glass. I don't use plastics typically, and stainless steel, I find that it can have like a metallic taste. So I love that these are glass. The packaging was excellent. I don't think they would come broken to anybody personally. I think they come packaged so nicely that really you're not going to get them broken because of how nicely and secure they're packaged. They do fit in my car cup holder, which is important because I like to take them on the go. They are heavy, and that's not a bad thing. Like, they feel really sturdy. They're made of like a insulated glass that you can, like, it will keep your drinks warm for a couple hours and then cold for even longer. Like, the ice doesn't melt quickly. So all of that is really nice because of like how high grade of a glass that they use. And the plastic that is on here is BPA free, and the straw itself is glass. It comes with different tools to help clean the straw out, and you can pop these in the dishwasher. I like that it has this ribbed effect. I think that like makes it look really pretty. And again, they're just like very sturdy and really feel like nice to hold. Like, they don't feel cheap or that they're going to crack easily. I feel very secure with this, and I like that you can put a hot drink in it as well as a cold drink, and it is glass. So really happy with this product. It's 20 ounces, so it's like a good amount in here. It says hot for 2 to 4 hours, and there's no metallic taste, like I said, which I really like. So definitely happy with this and recommend it.